Now we are starting to calculate values of trigonometric ratios of 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. That means our values of sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90 and that in the trigonometric table. Normally what students are doing, they are memorizing all the values. It's very difficult to remember all the values. That's why we will use a magic trick to remember the values. Not remember, actually we will calculate those values. Now it's the magic. Here I have taken the values here. T ratios of the 0 values of theta. Here I have taken theta. These are the angles: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. That means we will calculate all these values of all these angles of sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. And the magic trick is this one: square root of 0/4. Now this is the trick to calculate the whole values, all the values of this sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta and all. What we will do, we will take 0/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. Okay. Root over of square root of 0/4, square root of 1/4, square root of 2/4, square root of 3/4, square root of 4/4. After calculating these values, what we will get, those are the values of sine theta. Those are the values of sine theta. 0/4, 0, square root of 0, 0. This is the value of sine 0 degree. Next, square root of 1/4, this will be half. That is the values of sine 30 degree. Next, square root of 2/4, that is 1/√2, and this is the value of sine 45 degree. Next, square root of 3/4 is equal to √3/2. That will be the value of sine 60, and root over of 4/4 will be 1. This is the value of sine 90. That means if we remember 0/4, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, that means all the denominators are 4 and we are starting from 0 up to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and then all the denominators are 4 and we need to take square root of all these numbers. Now for cos theta, what we will do for cos theta? For cos theta, we will not calculate anything. Just we will write all the values of sine theta from 0 to 90 degree. We will just write in reverse order from 90 to 0 degree. That means value of sine 90 will be value of cos 0. Next, √3/2 we will write here. Next value 1/√2 we will write here. Next value 1/2 we will write here, and next value 0 we will write here. These are the values of cos theta. No need to calculate anything. Just write in the reverse order. Next, for tan theta, we know for tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. We can calculate easily. Tan theta equals to sine theta by cos theta. That means 0/1 will be 0. 1/2 by √3/2 will be 1/√3. 1/√2, 1 by 1/√2 will be 1. And this is √3/2 by half will be √3. And this is 1/0 is not defined. We have not written infinity. Plus infinity or minus infinity, we have not written. Why we have not written, that we will discuss in our next class. Okay. Now for cosec theta, what we will do? Cosec theta means 1 by sin theta. That means if we divide all the values of sin theta from 1 by sin theta, if we write, then we will get all the values of cosec theta. 1 by 0 is again not defined. 1 by 1 by 2, that is 2. 1 by 1 by root 2, that is root 2, that means just reciprocal of this number. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by root 3, and 1 by 1 definitely 1. These are the values of cosec theta. Again, for sec theta, same trick as cos theta. What we will do? Just we'll write in the reverse way of cosec theta. That means whatever I have written in cosec 90, we will write in sec 0. Then 2 by root 3 here. Then root 2 same, since it is the middle angle. Next 2, not defined. Cosec theta, sec theta, done. Next cot theta. For cot theta, what we will do? Either cos theta by sin theta. Either we can write in this way, or 1 by tan theta is cot theta. So 1 by tan theta means 0, tan 0, 0. That means 1 by 0, not defined. Next 1 by root 3. Next 1 by 1. Root 3 by 1 by root 3 is 1 by root 3 here, and not defined by 0 will be 0, because if we write 1 by 0, it will become 0. These are the values of the 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. Isn't it easy? Nothing to remember. Just memorize this one. We need to write 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. That means all the denominators 4 and numerator 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, square root of. We will take square root of 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. That's it. Next, let us check what we have learned. Sin 60 into cos 45 plus cos 60 sin 45. Once you have done with the chart, it's very easy to do each and every sum of this kind. Values of sin 60 degree, root 3 by 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Cos 60, 1 by 2. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. After simplification, we are getting root 3 plus 1 whole by 2 root 2. Easily you can do that. Next, 2 sin x equals to root 3. Therefore, if we need to solve and we need to calculate the values of x, here 2 into sin 2x is given is equal to root 3. What we will do? Sin 2x is equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore, now values of sin 60 degree, check your chart, is root 3 by 2. Therefore, for root 3 by 2, we will write sin 60. Now, 2x equals to 60, therefore, x equals to 30 degree. Isn't it easy? Now, from this chapter, each and every sum you can do. Try yourself and let me know your feedback. Thank you for joining my class.